Before you get lost in resort rabbit holes and wedding Facebook groups, let's talk about where to actually start. If you're wondering what comes first, like do we pick the venue, the resort, the location, I'm gonna break it all down for you in this video step by step. I'm Megan with Escape Key Travel Co. and I help busy newly engaged couples plan beautiful stress-free destination weddings in Mexico. Let's make this whole process feel way more manageable and a lot more fun. Number one, first forget the venue for now. And I know that's shocking, but before you fall in love with that rooftop wedding photo on Instagram, you know the one I'm talking about, let's zoom out. Your wedding vision needs some foundational clarity first. So you want to start with an estimated guest count. Are we talking 25 people or are we talking 100 people? I also want you to think about your ideal wedding vibe. Do we want a chill beachy bash or upscale garden affair? Then think of the time of the year you want to travel. Mexico has a lot of seasons, and weather, pricing, and even hurricane risks do come into play. One of the pro tips that I give my wedding couples is picking a location before knowing your guest count can lead to all kinds of headaches, like resorts that are too small, too remote, or way over budget. Number two, choose your location zone in Mexico. Mexico isn't one size fits all. Cancun isn't Cabo, and Puerto Vallarta is not the same vibe as Riviera Maya. So I want you to think about travel time for your guests and also our nonstop flights available. Let's also talk about scenery and experience. Do you want jungle, desert, or Caribbean coastline? And resort vibe is also important. Do you want party central, family friendly, or adults only elegance? Now, if you want help narrowing this down, that's what I do every day for my couples. And we're going to talk about that more in a second. Number three, set your priorities and budget ranges. Instead of asking, what does it cost? Ask, what are we willing to spend on travel events and experience? A good thing to think about is where do we want to splurge and where can we save? This helps me guide you towards resorts and wedding packages that match your values, whether that's luxury perks, family-friendly features, or romantic exclusivity. Number four, work with a destination wedding travel advisor early. Now here's the truth. Pinterest and resort websites can't tell you which venues are dated versus dreamy in real life. Especially with AI taking over everything, what's actually included in those pretty packages can also be, puzzling as well. And then how do you get free perks like room upgrades and private events? I help you find your ideal resort and guide you through everything from room blocks to travel logistics to getting guests booked. Number five, don't overwhelm yourself with too many options. And this is where most of my couples get stuck, and I wish I could take my own advice because this is where I get stuck too. You open 17 tabs, you compare 23 resorts, you get 12 different opinions from family, and that's analysis paralysis. Instead, you want a clear process, and here's what mine looks like. We chat about your vision and your guests' needs. I send you 2 to 3 curated resort options that match you, and you make a confident, informed decision. It's simple, it's empowering, and it gets it done. Now, if you're just starting your destination wedding journey, I want you to download my free destination wedding workbook. It walks you through all the early questions and helps you get organized from day one. You'll find the link below. And if you're ready for personalized help, reach out to schedule a consultation because I'd love to be in your corner. So let's recap. Don't jump straight to the venue. Start with guest count, vibe, and timing. Narrow in on your Mexico location, define your must-haves and budget, get expert help early to avoid the common pitfalls, and don't drown in tabs. Keep your planning simple and joyful. Now that you know where to begin, it's just as important to know what to watch out for. So in the next episode, I'm going to share the top mistakes I see couples make and how we can help you plan smarter from the start. Cheers!